Naman. Hi, Miss Jackie! So, I love your, at si Lord. Ayan. Hi, Lord.
At kung kontrabida lang naman ang labanan, marami ang nagulat sa galing ng performance ng ating next awardee. Her role as Iris Buenavides de Vera in Lavender Fields has received good reviews and has transformed her natural sweet image into an effective villain, contributing to the consistent high ratings of the series as well. Congratulations to our TV Supporting Actress of the Year, Janine.
Kakahulog ko lang sa upuan ko. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Hello po. Unang-una sa lahat, gusto ko po magpasalamat syempre sa Guillermo sa award po na ito. Hindi ko po talaga inaasahan nung una akong nagsimulang magtrabaho para sa Lavender Fields na magkakaroon ng mga ganito. So maraming salamat po. Thank you to Dreamscape, to ABS-CBN of course, to Sir Deo and Tito Leo na inumpisahan tong project kasama ako. And of course sa co-actors, Echo, Ate Jody, Ate Jolens, and Direk Manny, Direk Jojo, at sa lahat ng bumubuo sa Dreamscape. Thank you talaga, maraming salamat po. At syempre, bukod sa lahat, thank you sa fans. Thank you so much kasi talagang buong-buong tiwala nyo sa akin. Kahit ako wala masyado pang tiwala sa iba-ibang role, nauna na po kayong nagtiwala sa akin. So malaking bagay po yun. Maraming salamat po. And I dedicate this to my family who's here tonight. Syempre, bihira lang kaming magsama-sama sa ganitong klaseng event. Pero ngayon, dahil we're honoring also Mamita and Mama Gaya and Tito Ricky, I dedicate this also to them. And I'm so happy that you're here tonight. My mom and Tita Jackie and my cousins. And yun lang. Salamat din sa mga lola ko kasi sobrang laking inspirasyon nila. Simula nung bata pa lang ako. And of course, Tito Ricky was one of my first directors. So, mahal na mahal ko sila and mahal na mahal ko kayo. So, thank you very much. Thank you, Guillermo.
From television, we now recognize the best supporting actors for cinema. His character as a prison guard in the movie Green Bones gave him the opportunity to show
Kaya sabi ko sa'yo, sorry ka. Very good.
Television, Lavender Fields.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Dr. Jamie Remoquilio.
Maraming salamat po ulit sa Guillermo for recognizing Lavender Fields. Thank you so much. Of course, success po ito ng Dreamscape at isa ito sa mga last brainchild ni Sir Deo. So, Sir Deo, this is for you. And of course, Miss Kylie, Miss Hazel, yung buong team ng Lavender Fields. Siyempre sa mga director namin, Direk Manny Balo and Direk Jojo Sagin. And of course, kay Ate Jody. Ate Jody. So, maraming salamat po.
Thank you. To the cast, amazing cast. This is for us. Cheers.
And thank you po sa lahat ng nanood talaga on ABS-CBN, TV5, Netflix. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po.
Christian, it really feels great when we get to recognize our seasoned actors who have been the strongest pillars for the entertainment industry. Yes. One of these iconic awards is the Corazon Samaniego Lifetime Achievement Award. It is named after the founder and heart of the Guillermo Foundation, Corazon Samaniego. This award is in honor of her, the box office entertainment awards grand matriarch who had loved unconditionally the Guillermo Foundation and its cause.
Made a big comeback to primetime drama series through his role as Tyrone de Vera in the teleserye Lavender Fields. His excellent performance as a man trapped between two powerful women has achieved consistent high ratings for the program. 2024's primetime TV drama actor of the year, Jericho Rosales.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Dr. Lani Santiago. And to present a lei for Jericho Rosales is Mayor Marcos Mamay of Nunungan, Lanao del Norte.
Okay. 1999 was the year. So, Guillermo Mendoza Awards gave me a trophy. Nakalagay doon, most promising star in 1999. 3 years after I was Mr. Pogi. I'm here because of, I didn't write anything, but I was like looking at the G, so gratitude is what brought me here to Guillermo Mendoza. I am so honored, just like what Tony said. So honored to be, on stage and sharing this theater with, great actors and producers, and I just feel so happy because I'm doing And I'm in this industry na mahal ko. I love my job so much. And I have quit so many times because na burnout. But every single time that I decide to do something, music, Guillermo, you guys gave me an award for music. Kung hindi nyo na po may tatanong, I'm also a lyricist. And then I left again and I did movies. And then you guys gave me an award again. So this is my... anyway, it's just nice to have this kind of support. G for Gantimpala, and ang Gantimpala ng paggawa ng sining ay walang kapalit, but it's so nice to be supported by someone like you guys. And I am asking everyone, let us not allow the flame to die, whether television or cinema, because ang ating kultura ng paggawa ng sining ang bumubuhay sa Pilipinas. So mabuhay ang TV, mabuhay ang pelikula. Thank you so much. God bless you guys. Pag teatro,